Hey guys, it's Kassy from Weeping Willow Paranormal. We're here at Rivers Rapids Inn. It turned off. Okay, guys, I'm trying to do the intro and our static camera just turned off.
Cool.
Great. What the heck? Because it was recording 100% in brand new battery. Hey, let's.
Then why did it?
You can just leave that running because I didn't know what's happening. It's crazy.
Why did it turn off? We shall find out.
Oh, that was me. I didn't press it between. Maybe we got EVP.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. Hey guys, it's Kassy from Weeping Willow Paranormal. We're here at River Rapids Inn in Niagara Falls, Ontario. We are like 2 minutes from Niagara Falls, so it's a really cool location. This building is 4 stories and it has 90 rooms. So it's said to actually be haunted. The 4th floor is haunted by a ghost of the employees called Junior. And he is said to steal items and things go missing all the time. So that's kind of cool. And also people have seen like dark shadows around the building. So we're here to investigate to see if we can bring any evidence to see if this place is haunted. So stay tuned, guys, for this adventure. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do some sensory depth. So basically, what this is a spirit box, and it's with noise canceling headphones, and I have a blindfold. And then I'll just put that on, and then Reese will ask me some questions, and I'll like ask questions. Obviously, I can't hear him because noise canceling, and then whatever words I do hear through the spirit box, I will say them out loud and see. Okay, guys, so here I go. I'm gonna put the blindfold on, and then I'm going to see if I hear anything. Hopefully.
Is there anybody here with us? If there is somebody here with us right now, can you please talk to Kassy? See the black box in her hand? Use that to communicate with her.
Oh, that was weird. It sounded like a hiss.
Was that you? Did you just hiss at Kassy? If you did, can you do it again? If If there's somebody here with us, can you please say hello to Kassy? Again, use the black box in her hand.
Yes?
What's your name? The person who is here with us, do you have a name?
I feel like air movement just went by me.
If you are Junior, it said that you like to steal things. What kind of things do you steal? Tell Kassy. Use the black box and tell her what kind of things do you steal from the hotel employees.
Child?
What's your name? Junior, what's your real name? Use the tools that we have here to try to communicate with us. That black box in Kassy's
Slowly.
hand. Are you slowly learning? Learning how to use the black box to talk? Tell Kassy yes or no. If you're here, tell Kassy.
Available?
Are you letting us know that you're available to talk? What would you like us to call you?
Mark?
Mark. Is that your name? Mark, are you here with us?
My turn?
Is there more than one people here? Mark and Junior.
Today?
Are you planning to come and talk to us today? If so, tell Kassy. Use that black box. Tell us who you are.
Hello? That sounded like a kid's voice though when it said hello.
That must be Junior. Junior, what kind of things do you steal from the employees?
Oh my, that was weird. It sounded like a, I don't even know, like almost like not a baby, but like it was weird.
So assuming that we're communicating with Junior. Junior, do you like to play games? Maybe hide and go seek? Maybe hot and cold, where you steal something and you hide it somewhere?
Oh, that, okay. That was weird. It was like, it sounded like the radio, like the spirit box just stopped and like a hiss came through. That was so weird. Ugh.
Is there somebody here who doesn't want Junior or Mark to communicate with us? If you're here and you don't want us to be, let Kassy know.
It felt like something touched my neck, like my necklace. Like it felt like it rolled. Testing.
If you're here, you can use the light up ball that's right beside Kassy. Junior, you can play with that ball, it will light up. You can light it up with pretty lights if you touch the ball.
Oh.
Oh? Yes, it's a fun game. Junior, can you let Kassy know that you want to play? Let her know. Use the black box.
Is there anything?
Yeah, quite a few things actually.
Oh, jeez. I felt like weird, but okay.
Because there was a few times where I was like, just say hello, and you said hi back. And then there was one, when you said Mark, I was actually asking for somebody for a name.
Oh, okay. Okay then.
Yeah, and then I was trying to talk to Junior, and that's when you said that you heard the kid's voice.
Oh. That's weird. I got goosebumps.
Yeah. So, I don't know, maybe there might be multiple people here.
Yeah.
I don't know, because it did at some point give kind of an indication to being like, you know.
Multiple people.
Yeah.
And kids like do like hide things and stuff. I wonder if it's like a playful spirit.
Yeah.
Potentially. I mean, this land, like where we are too, there's a lot of history down right by the falls too. Like I have to do a little bit more research on the land. If I find anything, I'll post it like right here in the video. But yeah, okay, so that's pretty creepy.
Yeah, there was a few things that I was like,
Okay, cause I know I was saying things, but I'm like, I don't know if it pertains to anything.
yeah, you don't know if it's making sense.
No,
There was a few, there was quite a few that like don't make any sense, but then there was another few that it was kind of like, okay, hi.
Oh, okay,
Like
awesome.
I'm trying to start a conversation with you
Yeah.
and stuff. Yeah, so.
Okay, awesome. Okay, guys, so we're going to be doing Crow's method right now. So I added in, obviously you guys can see the grid light. So this is going to catch any movement that happens around me. Let's see if we can catch any shadows. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be hearing, like through the spirit box and through the noise canceling headphones, I'll just repeat words. And if the Perilous app comes through any words, breathe.
C.
C. So
Like the ocean sea, not CC.
oh, so I was
Ocean
like,
sea.
okay, so I was like pointing to you. So Reese will repeat anything that comes through the Perilous app. So it's kind of like I'm talking to the Perilous app. So that's kind of how it works. So I'm just going to put on headphones. Right. Sorry. Mask. Okay. Headphones. Spirit box.
That was my knee cracking.
Okay. Go. Gold. The edge. Okay guys, I slowed this down. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is some type of orb that floats across the screen. What do you guys think? 12? That sounds like children again, like what, like crying.
Feet.
Feet.
No.
No. Like you know.
I don't know. Me.
Beelzebub.
Beelzebub.
Holy crap. It's like a bunch of like, so weird. A bunch of like noises like back. Okay, there feels like something's going like brushing in the back of my neck, like or off to the side, like someone's super close to me. People. Whoa, it sounds like a scream. Listen to me.
Helpful.
Helpful.
Why? Okay, it feels like more against, like touching near my side of my head. You. Me. After. I can't. Sarah.
10.
10.
What? It's them. Okay. Me.
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
That part. Whatever. Like a really weirdly sounding, like whatever. Oh, weird.
Quack.
Okay.
Quack.
Back.
Cool.
I really felt like brushing against my hair, like kind of like just really weird a little bit. But some of it was so weird because I don't know if there was points where it was all this jumbled right grouped together, and it was after that was really weird.
Yeah.
So there was a couple weird things I've never heard through the spirit box before. Very weird. Okay. So that's it for now. Okay. So guys, I was wondering when I was doing the crow's method, even in sensory depth, but with the crow's method, I noticed it more. And I saw a lot, when your eyes are closed and you think, but you kind of almost can kind of still, even like this, I can kind of see my hand shadow. Well, I kept feeling like something was over here, and I was asking Reese, but Reese was on the other side of the camera, not in this direction. So that was a little bit weird, but I just wanted to point that out because I want to review some footage and see if there's anything there, or
Desert.
if
Desert.
dessert or desert.
Desert. Like
Desert.
the Sahara Desert.
Yeah, we're not near that.
Yeah.
No.
We're right near a river.
Yeah. So that was a bit weird. I just wanted to point that out. So there we go. Okay, guys. So we're just going to be doing some parallels down the hallway. This is the 4th floor, which they say is haunted. So I'm just going to ask some questions and see if we can catch anything through the parallels, or if it says anything. So, is there a junior here, and is his name Mark? Is there a Mark here? Is there any children in this hallway? Or in this hotel?
Haze.
Haze. Sorry. I just thought I saw something like a shadow, but not really a shadow, a person, but I was one of those corner eye things. Yeah, I was gonna say haze, but it was. So if there's anyone here with us, is your name Mark? Is there any children that like to play in this hallway? Or in the rooms?
Did you just hear that?
What?
That woo.
No?
Like a toy. Like a toy, fire truck would go, woo.
No? I mean, I creaked. Was it that?
No, it was a woo. It wasn't a creak. It was a woo.
No, I didn't.
Fancy.
Fancy.
I know, it is a fancy toy. One guy goes woo.
Okay, so I did this.
Yeah, no, it was a woo.
No, okay. The camera picked up on any of that.
Let's hope so. If not, I'm crazy.
But kids playing with toys.
I know, Kassy. That's
Okay.
why I said something.
Okay. There's gotta be kids here.
But seriously, you didn't hear that?
No. I stepped, and basically then you said it, so that's why I thought it was my footstep making that creaking noise. No?
No, it sounded like it was coming from the room.
Which, I mean, it could be TV if anyone was here, but there's nobody here. Okay. Guys, we're not sure what that was, but hopefully the camera picked up whatever
Yeah,
it
I
was.
hope it did.
Unholy.
No. Okay, guys, so we're just going to use some spirit box session, and we also use the EMF reader while I'm doing the spirit box session. So as you can see right now, there's a baseline of the green. So I'm just going to ask some questions and see if we can catch anything off of here. So if there is anyone here with us, can you please touch the K2 meter? See how there's lots of different lights? Can you light it up? Or you can talk into the camera. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to do an EVP session with my digital recorder. And then I'll do a playback. So I'm just going to put it on the bed beside me. Right here. So if there is anyone here with us, can you please either talk through the camera or talk into the recorder? My name is Kassy. I just want to hear your story. Can you tell me who you are? Is there any children here? Or someone named Mark? I would love to hear your story. So can you just talk into the recorder? You can say your name or who you are. There's a lot of little creaky noises right now, but it just could be random things. I feel like there's children here. Is there children in these halls? Were you on the land? Okay guys, so I'm going to stop that. I'm just going to do a playback of the recorder and let's see what we got. You can say your name. There's a lot of like clicking noises. Who you are. Clicking noise again. Okay, so I have the Paralysis app on, guys, so I'm just going to leave this here, and I'm going to turn on the spirit box, and so I'm just going to go through the spirit box. It's sweet. Okay. So, is there anyone here with us? You can either talk through the camera, you can talk through this little box in my hand. You can either touch this here, it'll go off, or you can talk to my phone. It's kind of getting quiet, so I don't know if you guys can see the EMF reader is going off. My phone's doing the fluctuation thing again. I don't know if you guys can see. Is there anyone here with us? You can touch the cat ball. You can touch the cat ball. Or you can touch my phone or talk to my phone. Or the EMF reader. Early. I kind of said, that was weird. It's like, hey. It's very quiet now. Before the spirit box was going like off. Is there anyone here? And just so you know, the recorder is behind, but it's turned off, so it shouldn't be affecting that. Just want to make sure there's no strand or anything. That's so interesting, the spirit box is very quiet. Neat. Okay guys, so that was really interesting. The spirit box was very quiet compared to what it typically is, or like at least what it was before. Tonight, when I was doing sensory depth, and it was like going off and it was doing weird things, and then the Paralysis app has been kind of not totally spot on as much as it typically is. So what I'm actually going to be doing overnight, I'm going to run the Steadicam. I'm going to put a brand new battery in it, and I'll have it run all night, or until at least the battery dies. Oh, the EMF reader just went off. I don't know if you guys saw that. That was interesting. I kind of got like a little bit of you need. Got a little bit of goosebumpies, and then the EMF reader went off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the Steadicam, like I said, running. Both cameras with full batteries, and then I have it run for the night. I'm also gonna leave the recorder going overnight too. See if I can pick up on any EVPs or anything like that. And then I'll check back in the morning and let you guys know if Fear me. I don't fear you. You don't scare me. So I'll, like I said, I'll just check back in the morning with you guys to see how my night went, and then obviously if I've caught any footage while I was sleeping, I'll add it into the video. But that's it, guys. Hey guys, so it's the morning, so nothing really weird happened through the night. I did hear a bunch of like random like clicking noises and like little movement noises, but it was hard to tell if it was just like the hotel like movement, you know what I mean? So there's some with that, but otherwise it was a really quiet night. And yeah, that's it, guys. So stay tuned for more episodes coming your way. October is going to be really, really awesome. I'm really excited for you guys to see what I have coming for you. So, okay. Bye-bye, guys.